Hi there. Today we're going to show you how you can build a professional website for your HVAC business from scratch using SiteYard. This is truly the best turnkey website builder out there, designed specifically for businesses in the trades. Let's get building. SiteYard is a tool designed to make the website building process as direct and seamless as possible. It's designed to provide you with one simple location where you can add content and customize the way it looks. Let's get started. To start off with, just pick your favorite website browser like Edge, Chrome, Firefox, whatever. I'm in Safari. Go to siteyard.co and you get to the landing page. There's a couple sections here. Start your site for free. Features to grow your business. And now what I'm going to do is click on Begin SiteYard Pro Trial. And I'm doing this because the free version doesn't let me pick my own custom website address. It's more professional to have your own custom website address, such as joeshvacwisconsin.com. The free version requires you to have a .siteyard.co within the website address. So let's proceed with the SiteYard Pro version. There's a few fields here that I'm going to fill out quickly, and then we'll be off to the races. Company name, I'm going to go with Joe's HVAC Wisconsin. The business type, I'm just going to click HVAC here. Email, I'm going to type in my email address. And then the last one, create your new website address. When you think of a website address for your business, try and think of something somewhat short and memorable, because it's going to go on your business card, on your van, wherever. You want people to remember it. I'm going to go with Joe's HVAC Wisconsin. Now, the second part is the top level domain that you can pick any one to end your website address with. I can pick Joe's HVAC Wisconsin.net, .info, whatever. I'm just going to keep it plain and simple and stick with .com. I have to check the availability, because if someone else is already using that, then I can't. I would have to pick something else. In this case, Joe's HVAC Wisconsin is available, so I get to use this address. When I click that button, this big one at the bottom lights up that says Build Your Website. Now when I click this big one, then I'll really be off to the races. It'll send me a confirmation email, and then I can really start adding content to my website. Great. So I've started it successfully. Please continue to the confirmation email that we just sent to your contact email. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to head over to my email. And boom, there it is. Welcome. Please confirm your email to access your new company website from SiteYard. I click confirm, and it brings me to the confirmation page. Now, this is where I enter my billing info to start my trial month, and then it's $5 a month after that. You can cancel anytime. There's no commitments. So now I'm going to type in my billing info. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Begin Free Trial. By clicking Confirm, you will begin a 1-month trial with your new custom website address, joeshvacwisconsin.com. Would you like to proceed? Confirm. Thanks for a second, and then boom, confirm new account. Our subscription is now active. And whenever I want to log into my website and edit the content or anything like that, I'm going to use my email as my username, and then I'm going to pick a password. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a password of adequate strength. Okay, I'm going to click submit. and it logs me into the edit page for the first time. So when I select my website address, joeshvacwisconsin.com, it actually takes a little bit of time for that website address to get hooked up and registered on the World Wide Web. Technically, it can take up to 72 hours, but really, more realistically, it's like half an hour. Don't worry, you don't actually have to do anything. It'll automatically get hooked up for you. It just won't be immediate when you start your free month. So it'll be active soon. Okay, you'll get an email when your website address is officially hooked up. So this is the edit page. It is the central place where you can edit everything on your website. It's got your overview, contact info. You can add online booking, your services, testimonials, networking links, bunch of images, your colors, your fonts, all that sort of thing. So I'm going to fill this out and be back with you in 1 second. So at this point, I added a bunch of content to my website. I have my name, logo, I added a description here. I included a form on my website for people to email me, my phone number, my address. Oops, I haven't quite added that yet, but why don't I do that right now? Great. I enabled online appointment booking so people can just book right from my website, which is nice. Bunch of services that my business provides, a couple testimonials from satisfied customers, my Facebook link, some images, and I picked some colors and the font. So I'm going to click Save All Edits, and then I'm going to click View Your Website, which is up at the top. And now we'll see the website as it appears to the outside world. Here's my new website. It's got my logo, my name, my location, my phone number. Here's my services. I don't really love the way that the colors turned out that I picked, but I can always go back to the edit page and change them as many times as I want until I find something that I like. Here's some photos that I selected, my testimonials. There's an email form where people can email my business, some information about us, and a footer. So that's about it. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to reach out, and we're happy to help out. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.